restaurant chain renowned for its fusion of crispy fried chicken and creamy cheese sauce, often with bold, spicy twists. Founded in 2011, it has grown into a popular quick service brand emphasizing affordable, flavorful meals that blend indulgence with heat. The chain is headquartered in Bandung, West Java, Indonesia, and operates under PT Richeese Indonesia, a subsidiary of the Navati Group.
Originally a snack manufacturer,
Its slogan, "Everything is fun with cheese," captures its playful, cheese-centric vibe, earning fans the nickname Cheesemates. The first outlet opened on February 8, 2011
Dibungkus bisa.
at Paris Van Java Shopping Mall in Bandung, Indonesia, introducing the concept of
Saya mau
cheese-drizzled
lihat
fried chicken for
paketan
local
ayam
diners.
yang
It quickly
buat
expanded
dibawa
across the
pulang itu ada
country,
yang
becoming a
berapa
staple in
potong
malls
ayam
and
aja.
urban areas by
Ayamnya
2025.
aja.
It boasts dozens of locations supported by a mobile app for ordering, payments, and
Ada
loyalty
menunya nggak?
points. Entered in 2016 by Richeese Factory,
Oh ini 1358
in
ya.
malls and urban areas by 2025. It boasts dozens of locations supported by a mobile app for
Potongannya
ordering,
bisa milih
payments,
nggak,
and
Mbak?
loyalty points. Entered in 2016 via Richeese Factory, Malaysia Espidin Beyond with the first physical outlet in February 2023 at One Utama Mall in Bandar Utama, backed by Indonesian export financing. In November 2024, it has adapted menus to local tastes, blending Korean-inspired spices with Malaysian preferences. Launched in July 2024 with a subsidiary in Guangzhou's Nansha district, opening its debut store in Shenzhen on August 28, 2024. Menu highlights.